Hi Crouchy friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, back with another Halloween embellishment box swap, and this one is from Kim, and I will link all of Kim's information down below. And this has got my name on it. Look how cute her little bags are. And I can reuse this top because she's put it on with just a paper clip. Oh, I think this might have came from the inside of the bag. Look at that, so cute. I like the classic colors on her Trick or Treat bag topper. Let's see what we got inside. A cute little bow. Love the pom-pom center. We have, oh, isn't that cute? What a cute little tag, I like that. And then we have little ephemera pieces or cut aparts. I do like a good cat. Aw. Those are so cute. Gotta love my kitties. My little pumpkin. Oh, there's another one of these. These are really cute. I think these are just stickers. And then she's just kind of created a little frame tag and she's just put a little bit of twine on there. But that is so cute. I'm going to have to go look for these stickers now. And then we got a little bag full of goodies. It's going to open nicely for me. Glue dots. Sometimes they're super strong, and if you twist them, they come apart. So let's see what we got in here. I'm sure it's very similar to some of the stuff that's in her boxes, but we'll give her a look. We have some little ghosties. We have some skulls. We got an Oogie Boogie. Little witch hand. I've gotten one other one, so now I have two. These are really cool. I don't know if it's a witch or zombie, but I don't know. I like them. We have some skeletons, some little spiders, jack-o'-lanterns. Oh, look at these. This little blinged out little spider. Oh, mushrooms, some ghosties. Little nail charms, all kinds of goodies. Oh, these little pumpkin beads are cute. I don't know if I've seen these ones. Those are cute. See something new every time. I'm telling ya. Oh, another kitty. Thank you, Kim. And here's Kim's swap. She's got them in a cute little tree bag. We've seen these spiders before. I guess these are technically vase filler is what they're on, but she's glued it onto a paper clothespin to tie her or put together her little bag. Let's see. Ooh, let's see what's in here. Okay, so here's one of her shakers. Love this. Oh, look at that little cool little blinged out little cabochon. Oh, she's done a little nail charm in the center of her flower. That's really cute. I like the like purpley metallic paper in the background. And then she's got this little skelly guy. He's cute. And then she's got a little treat bag in here. And then here's her other one. I have a little pumpkin boo bucket. How cute he is. So cute. And then here is her box. She's got a little blingy pumpkin. She's got a fun little dangle on it. Ooh, look at this kitty. Love that. So much fun. All the oranges and purples. Eyeball, plaid. Very pretty, very pretty. And it's just in a little sleeve, and you pull it out, and look how pretty her sleeve is. Oh, this is cute paper. I love that. She's got lace and trim all the way around her box. Let's open her up. And we'll zoom you in. Okay, so start over here. So we have some little leaf wood veneers. These are really cute. These are perfect for like a little fall, I mean, or Halloween moment. I like those. And then we have some pumpkin and bat little sequin bits. And this one we have some little pumpkins. We have the little lanterns. What else do we have in here? We have a little clothespins and this little jack-o'-lantern guy. And here we have a couple charms. Oh, look at this ghosty. Oh, he's a button. I don't know if I've seen him yet. And then we have the spider button. But these, if you really want, you can snip these off with just like wire cutters, and they come right off, and you can use them as little flatbacks. And then she's got some Happy Halloween little table scatter here sitting on top. Some ghosties, some oogie boogies. And then this has got pumpkins, bats, and what's it, the white? Probably ghosties. Oh, it says boo. Some more just like a bigger sequence slash table scatter. And then in here we have a whole bunch of spiders. We have these flatbacks, these little guys. We have some nail charms in here. Oh, here's a enamel charm. Oh, look at this ghosty. He's cute. More spiders. All kinds of little nail charms. These are fun. All kinds of little guys in here. Oh, look at this little witch hat. So cute. Oops. Oh, there's skulls in there too. And then we have some wood beads. And we have some little, oh, look at these little pumpkin type of beads. Those are really cute. And some black beads. And we have, oops, I'll pick that up. And here we have some pom-poms. And we have some bats. Those are fun. And then over here we have, ooh, look at this. Oh, this is a Brad, but it's a cat. And we have a bat. He's got googly eyes. And then we have, ooh, these are like little wood flat, like spacer type of beads. These are fun. And then some Heishi beads. It's almost like a wooden Heishi bead. We have spider, a couple spiders, and then a couple of little enamel charms, bat, ghost, spider. Some more pom-poms, and then we have some more charms. We have some jack-o'-lanterns, some ghosties, and a little mushroom guy. And in here, more pom-poms. We have, ooh, some bigger buttons. So we have a ghost, we have a witch hat, we have alpha letters in here, but it spells out ghost. And then there's an eyeball in there too. And then more pom-poms. Pom-poms everywhere. And then we have these fun little wood beads. Oh, there's a skeleton guy in there, a couple skeleton guys, and some more little beads. These pom-poms actually keep down the little beads. That's kind of a good idea. And then this one's just full of skulls, all different colors. And then we have some more fun charms over here. Oh, I love the little witch's boot. Oh, here's another little nail charm that came from over there. So cute. Thank you so much, Kim, for joining in another one of my swaps. I need to pick up that pom-pom, but I really appreciate you. Make sure you give her some crafty lip. Oh, actually, I think, does it open? It does. So I slid out her embellishment box, but it actually Velcros on the back. So fun. Please make sure you give Kim some crafty love, and we will see you in the next swap reveal. Bye, guys.